Apple is expected to introduce a new iPhone 17 Ultra model replacing the traditional Pro Max variant. This shift suggests that Apple is looking to differentiate its high-end offerings further by introducing exclusive features that will not be available in the standard iPhone 17 Pro. Reports indicate that this Ultra model will boast superior specifications, making it a more premium choice for those seeking the most advanced iPhone experience. One of the key upgrades rumored for the iPhone 17 Ultra is a redesigned dynamic island that will be smaller in size. According to sources, limited units of this new display are being manufactured exclusively for the high-end Ultra model. This suggests that the iPhone 17 Pro may retain the existing dynamic island design, while the Ultra version benefits from a sleeker and more refined aesthetic. Additionally, Apple is reportedly testing vapor chamber cooling technology, which could significantly enhance the thermal management of the device. This advanced cooling system is expected to be reserved solely for the iPhone 17 Ultra, providing better performance, particularly for intensive tasks such as gaming and AI-driven applications. If implemented, this feature would set the Ultra model apart from the standard iPhone 17 Pro. Leaked suggest that the 17 Ultra will be thicker than previous models, allowing it to accommodate a larger battery. Alongside this, it is rumored that the iPhone 17 Ultra will feature 12 gigabytes of RAM, a significant increase from the 8 gigabytes found in previous models. The camera is also expected to receive exclusive enhancements. While exact details remain unclear, sources speculate that Apple could introduce an advanced periscope telephoto lens, improving zoom capabilities and low-light performance. Additionally, the device is expected to come with new Apple AI features, iOS 19, and the powerful A19 Pro chipset. In addition to 17 Ultra, new leaks provide further insight into Apple's upcoming lineup. Notably, Sonny Dixon has shared a first look at the iPhone 17 dummies, revealing key design changes. These non-functional models used by case and accessory manufacturers align closely with recent renders, including a larger camera bump that spans the phone's width, a change expected across all models except the standard iPhone 17. Dixon's images also highlight the iPhone 17 Air, a new addition to the lineup. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, the iPhone 17 Air will feature a 6.6-inch display, making it slightly larger than the iPhone 16 Pro, 6.3 inches, but smaller than the iPhone 16 Pro Max, 6.9 inches. Apple initially considered making it 6.9 inches, but concerns over structural integrity led them to scale it down. Despite its ultra-thin 5.5mm profile, the Air model is expected to maintain solid battery life, incorporate ProMotion 120Hz refresh rate, and include a camera control button. However, it will feature an A19 chip instead of the A19 Pro. Gurman also suggests that if the iPhone 17 Air proves successful, Apple may use its design philosophy for future port-free iPhones. This approach is part of the company's long-term vision, possibly leading to a foldable iPhone by 2026, featuring a less visible crease than current folding devices like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. The iPhone 17 Air is expected to launch at around $900, while the iPhone 17 Ultra could start at $1,599. Apple is set to announce the iPhone 17 series in September 2025, bringing significant changes to its flagship lineup.